So this tournament battle I won't be editing, so there won't be any music on the background because I want to check out the new updates that just came out last week or this week, early this week. So it's basically there's now sound for the new units, so I'm gonna check that out. And during the course of this tournament battle, I thought it was pretty cool, especially the pilots on the Vertex. They made the sound really cool and I loved it, so I hope you guys loved it too. So for that being said, there won't be any music on this video. Mainly it's gonna be just what is here in the game, as you guys know already. So let's check out the sound. I honestly have never been this lucky to have this much good pumpkin in a row. Normally it's always like maybe two good pumpkins and then the next one will be a bad pumpkin, good pumpkin, bad pumpkin. But this I've had like three straight up good pumpkins in a row, which is pretty much better than a lot of the pumpkins I've ever had. So I would say this was my game, actually my game, because it was good pumpkin all the way, except for one bad pumpkin that really didn't really do much other than just blow up my energy center. So that was the only bad pumpkin that I had that really affected me, but the rest of them were just basically good pumpkins. So it was my lucky game and I took full advantage of it, making use of every resource. This was the only bad pumpkin, the one I was talking about, but other than that the rest were good pumpkins. I don't know, there was this time I was almost winning and then there was a pumpkin next to my base and then I tried getting that. Instead of having good pumpkin, I had this black pumpkin that produced this enemy units, and that's how my base got destroyed because I tried getting pumpkins. Greedy me. I should have just gone for this guy's base and leave the pumpkin alone. I probably would have won instead, but I tried getting that pumpkin and in the process of doing that I got destroyed. Honestly, if I'm to pick which fighting unit has the best commentary, I would pick the Vertex pilot, man. It's awesome. Like the one he said, feels out coming home. That's so realistic. I mean, in the game, if the foe is coming is going down, he's telling you that he's coming home because the foe is out. So that was pretty much cool, and that's my favorite in all of the fighting units thing. Corrected. This is the best one ever. Burn in hell. That is legitimately the best comment ever in this game. When your enemy is getting destroyed and the pilot is like burn in hell. That's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.